So hey friends, what's up? I'm back with another video. In this video we're gonna talk about PS5's remote controller that you can see now on the screen, and we're gonna also talk about its release date, its features. So let's get straight into the video. So first of all, it has an adaptive triggers features that you can see the triggers on the sides, and then it has sweat sensors and heart rate sensors, which are for the intensive gamers, because gaming also pose some type of danger or some sort of danger to your health. In many conditions it causes anxiety, so that's why an heart rate sensor is provided. It also comes with the haptic feedback, that's DualShock 4, same as the PS4's remote, and it also supports wireless charging. That you can see the wireless charging pad will be provided by Sony itself, and it also gives us the voice control feature. The voice control feature will be provided with the AI based system, or any like Google Assistant or Siri will be provided by Sony itself, and it has the features of new create button that you can see in this image, and it has a feature of built-in microphone that is for provided for the PvP games like Fortnite and other PvP games or multiplayer games. And it also comes with an audio jack, external audio jack, with which you can create with which you can connect your headphones or the external mic. And the release date is on 11th June 1 p.m. IST, and you can join the link given in the description, and for sure you will like this event. And I also suggest you to join it, as you will get the instances of PS5 as well, I think so. What's my pre-assumption? And now let's answer the question why they have copied the design of Xbox. I think they have not intentionally copied it, but they have copied it in order to get the comfortability for the gamer. And it has the Xbox, the controller of Xbox has a comfortable fit in your hand rather than that of PS4. I think that PS4 also has, but the Xbox has more, the Xbox One S. So pretty much it for today, guys. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, like my video, and if you do like, please comment below, and then please complete the like aim of 10 likes. Last time also you didn't completed the like aim of 15 likes, so please this time complete the like aim of 10 likes. I assure you that I will get you the pretty much good content or the best content I could. So thanks for watching. See you the next time.